Guys, we're here in St. Stephen, making some last minute preparations for this storm, getting a couple of things that we need just in case the power goes or whatever. But she's looking pretty bad. 7 o'clock this morning I was out and it was fine, perfectly right up until 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock it started, and that's just getting progressively worse since then. So you guys, if you don't have to go out today, don't go out. It's bad. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but like it's coming down pretty good right now. And you know, just stay safe, guys. It's getting pretty dirty out there. My lady friend just came back, so just stay safe, and just God bless you and stay safe.